Hi, I'm Leanne, and this is my review of these attachable drill cleaning pieces. I was sent these for free in exchange for my review, and I'm going to tell you all about them.
This is everything that comes in the set.
Here's a look at the main brushes that come with it. So what I'm going to do is insert this in. I'm going to tighten that around the bit of my drill. And now I'm ready to go clean. I can easily switch these out depending on what surface I'm cleaning.
This little plastic piece is actually a grip, and you can snap in this Brillo type pad and get in hard to reach places like windowsills. Right now I'm using the rounded brush head just to get the big corners in my shower. This was very effective at removing soap scum. This circular brush did a good job removing hard water stains on my shower head. These steel head brushes are excellent for getting in the grooves of grout. This is my other shower head before I clean it. Here I'm using that same rounded brush that fits right over the entire shower head. So much of the hard water stain around the nozzles is now removed.
My favorite thing about this product is all the versatility of the different brush heads, and I also like that I can just use my drill. I don't need to own another whole power device to make this work, so I do recommend it.